In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the year on Google Satellite View. We all love using Google Earth to explore distant lands or peek into our own backyards. And sometimes we want to take an extra step to see how a place looked in the past. Fortunately, Google Earth makes this a breeze with its historical imagery feature. Let's dive straight in and explore how you can view past satellite images on Google Earth. To begin, you'll need to launch the Google Earth application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily download it from the official Google Earth website. Once you have it up and running, you'll be greeted with a stunning view of the Earth from space. Now, if there's a specific location you're interested in, all you need to do is use the search bar at the top left corner. You can type in the name of the place or simply pan across the globe until you find your desired location. Once you land on your spot, it's time to delve into history. Next, to view older satellite imagery, you'll want to activate the Historical Imagery option. Depending on your version of Google Earth, this could be somewhat hidden, but it's usually tucked away in the toolbar at the top. Click on the icon that looks like a clock with an arrow, or it might just say, Historical Imagery. You should instantly notice a time slider appear at the top of your screen. Now, here comes the exciting part. You can click on the dots along this time slider to jump to satellite images from different years. The dots represent times when significant images were captured. Want to see how your city's skyline evolved over the years? Simply click through these testaments of time. Alternatively, you might want to drag the slider back and forth to seamlessly glide through history. This interactive approach helps you visualize changes over multiple years. As you select different years or drag through the timeline, the map will update in real time, reflecting the satellite imagery from the date you've chosen. This feature allows you to uncover past geographical and urban transformations, providing a virtual time machine to the landscape's evolution. And that's how easy it is to change the year on Google Satellite View using Google Earth. Whether you're pursuing academic research, diving into family history, or just satisfying your curiosity, this tool opens a window into the past. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy exploring historical imagery as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy exploring!